Bye, MJX.
Jedi 41's with you, 3000, we have whiskey.
Jedi 4 Heavy, McGuire approach, you're loud and clear, McGuire altimeter 2998, sir, request.
2998, we are direct, Robbinsville at this time, we'd like...
Just head over towards the sand pits for now, until we get that other guy.
Roger, and full stop?
Affirmative, full stop for Jedi 4.
Roger.
Want to pick up the AWAS over there?
Yeah, let's start doing that.
Glare 25, depart coil heading 05, correction 040.
Okay, understand, depart coil 040, Glare 25.
119.875, right?
That's the one.
Glare 25, does they have you direct Lakers already?
Glare 25, that's affirmative.
Observation 1811 Zulu. Wind 330 at 13. Peak gusts 24. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 06 Celsius. Dew point -03 Celsius. Altimeter 2997. Ocean County Airport. Automated weather observation 1812 Zulu.
Miles to the east, inbound for a left downwind, runway 32, Ocean County.
Alright, so...
0 Tango Whiskey.
To get into 3-2, would you go head this way and then teardrop in 45?
Yeah, I joined the 45.
Tango Whiskey. Echo Jersey traffic, Skyhawk, on the go.
I want to know where that Tango Whiskey's coming from. You don't have anybody Tango Whiskey on your radar there?
Ocean County traffic, Cheyenne is 2 miles to the northeast, going to go overhead at 1500 to make left traffic for runway 32 at Ocean County.
You ever done a emergency descent in this? Have we gone over emergency descents?
This one, no, I've done it in the Archer. You know, it simulated engine outs and stuff like that.
Yeah, this one's like your engine's on fire. Have we done that one?
Central Jersey traffic, Skyhawk.
Make sure full rich, fuel pump on.
West.
Anybody, let's just do some clearing turns, hold altitude, don't descend anymore.
Anybody in the pattern at Ocean County?
I hate that call.
Yeah, Piper Arch is a mile south, gonna teardrop into a left downwind for 32.
You at
Don't descend
800
anymore.
feet?
I'm at about 1100.
Okay, Tango Whiskey is Cheyenne. We're directly overhead. We're joining a left downwind for 32.
I got you in sight.
I see him now.
I think I'll...
Alright, so you're going to level off at about 1,500 feet. So let's go ahead and reduce power to about 16.
Left downwind for 32 at 1,500 feet.
Continue that bank. Let's bank it at 45 degrees. And keep it at about 110 knots. Actually, we'll do 100 since it's a little turbulent. Bank at 45 degrees, otherwise we're not going to really get that acceleration.
So we got the Warrior side now.
45, a little bit more.
And Cheyenne's on a left base for 32 at Ocean County.
There's a 45. Okay. Remember, your engine's on fire. You want to get down as quickly as possible. So we'll bring the nose up because it's turbulent. We don't want to go above into the red or into the yellow arc. Keep it 45. But now that's your heavy acceleration rate.
My parts are left downwind.
A little bit of nose up. We're right about at 110. So if it was smoother, we'd try to get 2,000 feet per minute.
Yeah.
And there's 15. We're approaching 15, so now you want to start leveling the wings, start bringing the nose up. Nice and smooth, nice and smooth. Nothing too aggressive. And there you go. Don't let it balloon.
County traffic, Bear 967 Altimeter is 8 west of the field. We're going to enter a left downwind for 2
Ocean County, Cheyenne.
All right, let's start heading towards Ocean County.
Ocean County.
Ocean County traffic, Piper Arch, turn to left base 32 Ocean County.
All right, so now you're going to see where you fit in with everybody. So that's your fast emergency descent. Your airplane's on fire or your passengers are really ill. So you really got to bring it down, and you can't really do like a shallow approach, right? So you got to increase the load factor. So to increase the load factor, you can add flaps. Bank angle is usually what he's going to want you to do. He's going to want you to do 45-degree turn, and you can also slip it. So he wants you to, his emergency descent is, an actual emergency descent.
We should switch things, shouldn't we?
We can, yeah.
Fuel pump is on. Pressure's good.
When able, we'll start doing that
Ocean County traffic, Piper Archer.
approach checklist,
Final runway
and we'll do. We'll also get a radio call in there.
All right.
Ocean County, Cheyenne's clear at the end of 3-2.
Approach list. I got seat backs up, seatbelts and harnesses on. If electric fuel pump is on, fix your set, flaps. We'll do once we get into the downwind. Soft trim. Set for 70 knots. Kind of weird.
Well, you want about 75 knots on final.
967 Alpha,
It's a final approach speed 63.
It's about accurate. I use 65 just as a little buffer.
Okay, traffic, you got helicopter 5 November Juliet showing about 3 miles out to the northwest, coming through 1,000 feet. Going to be setting up for a left base to 6, and then we'll break it off to the helipad.
All right, so the airport's a little hot right now.
Yep. I got one there, one underneath them.
Know about that heavy traffic out there?
I see two right here.
Oh, I see that one guy. I see what you're saying. I see one in the pattern right now. Where's the other one?
I saw another one just land.
Okay, I got that one. Is that the two you saw?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you talk about the traffic on the left downwind?
102. Ocean County traffic, Piper Archer is clear 328 Bravo, Ocean County.
Ocean County traffic, 5NJ turning left base to final.
That's a helicopter.
6, Ocean County.
He looks like a helicopter, yep.
Yep. And then the other one, he's turning north. Like,
I don't have that other guy.
above the horizon.
That's the heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
County traffic bearers, turn left base, 29.
Go past a little bit and then I'll teardrop to 45.
Well, teardrop is more like a 270-degree turn.
So, but I'm going this way.
You're just basically just making two right turns. Not much of a teardrop.
5NJ, was that for us?
It wasn't, but I was going to ask you guys also, do you need...
Queen City 6 Tango X, we're just...
5NJ's short file for
11 o'clock.
Alpha at Charlie. I know, we're going to taxi into the pad.
I see that guy?
Some fuel,
I see him there.
going to come.
Is he okay, I see him.
Halfway between the tank. Possible, we're looking for you.
Let's get down.
Alright,
Let's get
we're
down.
over to the northwest side. You guys...
Ocean Air 70 Tango Whiskey.
Cool, sounds good.
Reduce that power a little bit more.
Tango Whiskey.
Ocean County Travis Cox, taking runway 32 straight out. Ocean County.
Make that radio call.
Ocean County traffic, Warrior 40 Juliet Alpha is joining the downwind for runway 32 at a 45. Ocean County.
Ocean County traffic, Piper Archers crossing 246 at Bravo on the ground. Ocean County.
NJ, do you guys need a hot fuel today, or are we shutting down?
Hot fuel, please, if we could have 145 gallons, 145.
Pattern
Oh,
altitude.
sorry, can you repeat the gallons again?
Make it 140, 140.
140, you got it.
Ocean County traffic, Piper Archers clear, 246 on the ground, Ocean County.
Don't descend anymore. Wait till you're at least a beam, point of intended landing.
Pumps on. Mixer's full, Rich.
So you're going to want to come in with power on this one. And expect to be bounced around a little bit. You're going to hold 75 pretty much all the way in. Don't be afraid to float it down the runway a little, but not too much. Something doesn't look right, just go around. Keep the nose right at the horizon.
Ocean County traffic, Warrior 40 Juliet Alpha is left base, runway 32. Ocean County.
Ocean County traffic, got a Viper Dakota entering left downwind, runway 32, Ocean County, number 2.
Ocean County traffic, Warrior Juliet Alpha is on final, runway 32. Ocean County. Yeah, this is a big boy, huh?
Oh yeah.
Full flaps?
Full flaps.
Ocean County traffic, Viper Dakota, turn left base, runway 32, number 2, Ocean County.
Keep that airspeed at 75.